This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the Python training. Guys, please confirm it. My voice is clear to everyone. You have a chat option, mic option also you have. Just wait 1 second. Mic option presently disabled. One second. I'm going to enable that option. Okay, thank you, thank you. Yes, you can use this. Just to give me 1 minute. Okay, fine. Okay, come back. So myself, Nagarjuna Varlakonda. I'm providing the trainings on Python and PowerShell, mainly automation area. I'm a working guy as well as I'm providing the trainings from last 7 years. So this course main intention is simple, only one simple line. Developing the Python programming knowledge from the zero. That is the main intention. Developing the Python idea. Those who are don't know even Python. I am not saying I don't have any programming knowledge. I am completely new to this programming. Hmm. Sir, I am very clearly defining one statement. From zero, I am going to start. From zero, I am going to start. That is the main simple motto of this training. Maybe you have one question. Do we require any prerequisites to learn this one? No other programming language. This you can take the first step of your IT journey. Yes, the training we have in a different style. Comparing with any other in the IT training domain, this training is completely different. First, I will explain about the course view. Sir, it is completely online as well as interactive training. You have to respond, or you can ask the questions on the online. There is no compromise. But question should be question only. Yes. So total duration is as per plan, 80 to 85 days plan is there. 80 to 85 days. Maybe 1 2 days, but greater than 80 days. That is a perfect point. And then after, it is completely online interactive training. It is completely online interactive training. There are total two batches are available for a day. Yes, first batch morning 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Second one 6 to 7 p.m. IST. So batch mode is online and is a day batch Monday to Friday. Try to understand here why we have two batches. For example, day maybe first 2 weeks you have a morning shift. You can attend for that 2 weeks in the evening batch. Same topic I will teach in the morning and evening. And same link also available to join the purpose. Same link also. And every day, same topic will run in the morning and evening as a live. As a live. Yes, live, morning and same. For example, if you missed it, no need to inform anything. You can attend morning or evening. Either morning or evening. Any one of them you can attend for a day. But any one of them. Either morning or evening. So day one you can attend morning, day two evening, day three morning, or day four you can continuously for attend for evening. No need to inform anything. You can attend any one of them for a day. It is Monday to Friday training. So who are eligible? Especially those who are doing. I mean, they are in the B.Tech or graduation. They want to develop the IT career in Python. This is the best platform. Yes, for that we are providing core and advanced Python in 50 days. Only core and advanced training only. Core Python and advanced Python we are taking in 50 days. Completely to understand Python we need 50 days. Python is not a Amazon order. It will not come in 1 or 2 days. Definitely you need to spend on these days. Upcoming technologies, even believe this word, your AI data science. I'm going to provide one data science AI Gen AI batch in the December. This Python is very important there. Yes, without I mean Python, core Python, if anywhere if you see it will completed in 30 days, that is just blindly you can feel that is a useless. Why? Because definitely to understand the Python we need 50 days out of 80 days training. 80 days training. Only to understand code. I don't know anything Python, sir. I'm feeling Python as a snake. From where you are going to bring that snake? Like that only we are going to start. You don't know what is the variable, loops, function, you don't know anything. Just we are going to work with the technology. So the students, those who are don't know, I mean, you're completely new to one programming knowledge or you're completely new to IT field, just blindly you can select it. Yes, this area is very, very important. Even if you are planning is data science is one of them is Python guys. Even R language also fine. Python is one of them. But here I am not going to teach data science in this course. One Python is required to learn the data science. Python is required to learn the data science. That is the important point. Yes, even your plan is AI machine learning. Now this Python is core component. Core component. For example, if you want to survive as a full stack developer, I will take all the questions. Let me complete. Yes, Santosh and Prabhakaran. Definitely, I have explained about my course. Then I will give some questions. Mostly while explaining this one, I will solve your questions. Okay. See, if we want to survive as a full stack developer, this Python core and advanced is enough. Plus, guys, you need to learn one more framework here. Listen carefully. If you want to learn or if you want to survive as a full stack developer, development side, you need to learn here one framework that is Django or maybe Flask now famous. Flask is there. Yes, this Django Flask I am not going to provide. This is you can learn after Python only. Sir, here I am going to provide this training. Here I am going to provide this training. Try to observe carefully. So this Python is everywhere. So if you want to, you are a new guy, you want to settle in the developer mode or full stack developer. After this training, you have to take a framework training, any one of them. Now, famous one is the Django is a huge demand. Yes. Now you're planning for automation engineer. Automation engineer by the Python. Automation engineer for Python means you are maybe a network people or database people. Yes, or else you are a DevOps people or cloud people, any one of them. Sir, this core and Python is required here. Python, core and advanced is required. Definitely. Additionally, in this course, I am introducing to you 25 modules for completely automation. Without human interfere, we are going to develop the programs. Yes, these Python and these 25 modules. So these two things I am going to develop, I mean, explain from my end only. These 25 modules, core Python and advanced Python. or else you are a DevOps engineer, or especially AWS. There is a one special module is there, Boto 3. This is exclusively explaining how to automate completely. I mean, if your plan is how to manage the AWS by the Python, one of the modules, just how we are going to play with the AWS cloud by the Python. We are going to play with AWS cloud. Even if you not only creation, completely managing by the Python is there. Yes, and in Azure Point, automation account is there. Automation account service. And in the DevOps tools, how to use the. I am not going to teach here DevOps. I mean, sir, I am going to learn the DevOps in this course. No, the answer is no. Am I going to learn the DevOps course? No. So clarity is important. That's why I'm detailedly explaining. No. So already if you are trained on DevOps, already if you are trained on DevOps, already you are trained on DevOps, here you will learn how to manage DevOps tools. DevOps tools means especially monitoring tools and Git, Jenkins, and Kubernetes area. How to use the Python in these tools. Not a 1 hour tour, detail we are going to see here. Already, if you are trained on DevOps or you are learning the DevOps, yes, you will learn how to use the DevOps on these tools. Important. If you join, will you explain DevOps or no? I will not teach any tool to you now here. Already, if you have an idea on the tools, completely how to manage by Python, I will explain from the scratch. This is my duty. Yes, Bota 3, let it be. I will, these topics, whatever I'm going to explain by the one of the module to manage the AWS cloud. Believe word, there is a one client is there from Canada, only required this tool, guys. Almost 62 members, they are taking the training on only on this tool. 62 members. 62 members taking training on this tool. I mean, generally from India, so many people, our students went to the for the masters. So after that, they will try to get a job. But now this is a requirement in the Canada. Now 62 members taking the training on only on AWS Boto 3 module. Exclusively, I am presenting this topic in our course. So first thing here, you can take any area, or your plan is data science. Yes, your plan is data science or AI. Data science or AI. This core Python and advanced Python is mandatory. If you take any scenario, your core advanced Pythons are mandatory. Without that, we cannot survive. In upcoming days, you have to fix to one word. Sir, I don't know any programming knowledge. Can I survive? If anyone saying the answer is yes, no. Now completely technologies are modified. We have to learn any one of the programming knowledge. Python is very easy to learn. To learn this one, no need any prerequisites. That is a one benefit for you. So easy to write the code. General English words only, your code is available. General English words like hello, hi, print, get. Like that manner only we have our questions and our concepts are available. Only one thing I can tell, easy to learn. From my teaching point, I'm telling that one. I have that ability. I'm giving that word. You can easy to learn. It's a matter of not fee. I'm providing the same training from last 7 years, especially Python purpose, 3.5 years, I think so. 3.5 years. The batch number 12 in the Python. Okay, and this is not only for which is a platform independent. Platform independent means it is not only for Windows. You can write the same code on other operating systems also. On Linux also same code we are going to use. Right? So now come to the another end. If you come to the course content area, We have a huge content is there. Otherwise, I will show you some existing batches, how they are. Every day you will get the daily recordings also. You don't worry about the daily recordings point. After every live, you are attending for the live also, you will get the daily recordings. Please try to understand this point. Every day you will get the daily recordings. Now this is a one batch. So it's your recent completed batch. I think it took 77 sessions. It took 77 sessions to complete the Python from zero. Your batch also going to in that way. Additionally, here I am added some content for the DevOps. Maybe 5 to 6 sessions maybe added, including regular expressions. Okay, now come to the course content point. Yes, and this is a batch timings as usual. You can attend any one of them. There is no sessions on weekends like Saturday and Sunday. Yes, what is the Python and where we have to start? Python is programming language or Python is an automation language, nothing but scripting we are calling. Scripting means automation language. So there is a Python when we install the Python. I'm just showing to you how to use the Python only. You don't worry how to install these softwares. Just be ready with one Windows machine, Windows 10 or 11, any one number. See, very simple here. Everything here only there. When I open Python related application, yes, it is telling that type help. That's all. Your help came. See, complete help came here. And your learning Python is very simple. Why? Because it's a matter of 35 keywords. If you know these 35 keywords, you are expert. If you know these 35 keywords, you are expert in the Python. That's all. Sir, if you know these 35 keywords, you are expert in the Python. That's all. You don't need to learn anything. How to use these 35 keywords? Like, for example, if you know English alphabets, 26, you can, if you know the uh, grammar and rules, grammar rules, then you can create any type of sentences. Here also, 35 keywords, rules of Python, then you will play with Python. That's all. There is nothing in these two languages. It's the English language, it is a Python language. Python is more easy comparing with your English. No direct speech, indirect speech, general way only you have, but easy to learn. That is the one statement I can give. So here, again, we divided as core Python and advanced Python. The reason is, yes, our lot of time, see, when we start the Python journey, almost 20 days we will learn only data types. There are 14 data types we have in our course. No, not only in our course, in Python. We have total 14 built-in data types are there. So I'm writing, I'm writing int, float, boolean, complex, then none. Now actual story will start from here. List, range, mm, tuple, dict, set, frozen set, byte, and byte set. That's all. If you know these data types, you will get an idea on Python. So generally, in any C language, if you know other languages, you know integer and float. Maybe float means a float number, like in this way. Integer means just direct numbers like 100, 200, but it containing a different data types like an arrays. So this is the important data types we have. How to convert a string to capital letter to small letter, small to capital. What are the string 47 methods, list 11 methods. So these are the important components we have. So only these, to understand this one, we are going to allocate 20 days time for data types. Maximum stuff you will get from this from this topic only. Then we have a loops concept, conditional statements, functions, try catch, class and objects. Okay. So this is the first pillar. I am explaining main component. Then second one is conditional statements and control statements. Nothing but if else. Second pillar. Then third, this is important one, functions concept, code reusability point. Total six type of functions we have in this course. Yes, even I can give multiple examples to you, but if you don't know anything, then that is useless, right or not? For example, I'm writing function ABC. I will write this type of argument. Yes, for I'm writing some code, but what is the use? If we don't know, then what is the use? I can call this function in any manner. See, it will work. What is the use? We can write this, we will call as a keyword argument. We will write keyword argument. See how simple? Function ABC. Here we should not call as function, sorry, def. A word I written in that way. Perfectly. This will execute. Ah, anywhere I written function keyword ABC. Here ARG. See, for same, even it will work for one value, it work for two value, it work for three values, it work for 3000 values also. Only small topic that is a functions again classified as six types. Sir, learning only Python. You have YouTube channel also. So many videos are available to understand the function. But in-depth concept is required here. If you want to tomorrow update, automate a cloud by the Python, knowing only about the function. Sir, I know def sum, I know function name. Then I have to write this one. I can write the code. Then what is the use, sir? Even for this, you no need to take the training for the Python. Blogs are there, YouTube channels are there. But how? What is the six functions? How to use these six functions in our course? That is a different one. So up to this area, even inline expressions are there, and how to store a file content. For example, I want to create a file. Example, see, I am on the D drive. I am on the D drive. I am on the D drive. Example, this is my D drive. D drive. This is my D drive. I want to create a file xyz.txt. See how to create a file with xyz.txt. xyz.txt, like write mode has file.write. Hi Naga. See this one inside of that, how to create a file, and see xyz.file created or not created. Has created inside. If you open hi Naga statement, how to create a file, not only this file, CSV, JSON related files, how to create. This totally related to the core Python. Next one, advanced only one concept, OOPS or object oriented programming language. There are multiple subcomponents will come. It is advanced Python. What is a class, object, inheritance? I'm just giving the word. Don't worry about these new words. The flow you will learn. Day one, it is not possible. Day one, not possible to get. Yes. So after that, exclusively I am providing 25 modules. These 25 modules not only for automation people, or not only for, sir, you are a developer or cloud engineer or a automation engineer. Yes, these 25 modules are helpful to you a lot. There is a no place. I mean, all together you are getting in one area about these 25 modules. Completely in one location you are getting all these modules. I want to survive for the DevOps engineer, AWS engineer, Azure, automation engineer, networking. Yes, these are important. Sir, even if you are for data science people, without this, you cannot write the code. Even I used some word while writing this program. It is a one module. I'm changing the directory. In other languages, we will use cd directory. Changing the directory from one location to another location. Like OS, we have a 25 modules are there. Just I will Go to that content area. One second. Yes, these are the modules. Yes, this is the area we are going to. What is the string module? How to print A to Z. Any activity, even sir, is it possible with Python? Yes. Your question is anything. Is it possible? Your question, then after you can ask a word adding that. Is it possible with Python? The answer is yes. Your question is anything, sir. Can I automate by the Python? The answer is yes. The concept is module. So how to connect a remote servers like Paramiko module? How to connect the remote servers? Encryption, decryption. Yes, converting CSV JSON format files, command line arguments, networking related, Paramiko, how to get a Windows server complete information. Already you are in Windows point, you are working PowerShell tool we will use generally, scripting language. There is a deployment objects, complete deployment objects, Windows reporting we will get here. Connecting the Oracle database. And here you have a one project is there, bank project is added. But the bank project after oops, this concept after there is a file management. Then after we have a one more concept is Oracle database we are going to use. Any database, Oracle and another one MS SQL. Two things I am covering. But this project is completely related to bank project. Completely how to develop. It is not a mini project, but we will complete that code in 5 to 6 sessions only after the paperwork. Paperwork will take 2 sessions. We are going to complete this is a one project we will perform in this area, right? If you come from the beginning, even not this one. Yes. So first we will start the installation part. What is the Python and how to install on two platforms I am explaining, and Linux and Windows. I don't have the Linux machine. I will explain to you how to create a free trial account and what are the keywords we have in our Python. Yes, even some random ready-made functions also available. How to find out the existing information. We are going to start our journey only with 5 keywords. That is a 5 keywords only we are going to start. For example, when you learn the English, you will learn A, B, C, D, like up to Z. Here, we are going to start our journey by using these keywords only. That's all. These are the functions, something already someone written. By these, we don't know what is this right side component, but by them we are going to start our journey. Yes, here also we have a comparison operators are there, like checking the condition. For example, user is providing some input. I want to check that is in small letters or in capital letters. Otherwise, user is giving one input. I want to convert to small letter to capital letters. Example, you can see A equals to Python automation and programming is there. Convert this into capital letters, small letters, then convert to capital letters. See, no, I want to title only first letter. Yes, see this one. Only the simple code. I provided small input, but I converted to all capital. First word, a title means every word separated by spaces. First word, first character capitalization. That concept we in the STR only, not in the advanced Python. Here I said 47 methods. Sir, do we require to remember all 47? Sir, we are human, not possible to remember all 47. We will learn all 47, but which are helpful that we will remember. Total, after learning 47 methods, you will understand 11 are important. But my duty is I need to explain every component to you. Yes, I said conditional statement. There are total loops are there, total 4 types of loops and 3 conditional statements. And then after data types use cases, how to use the data types indexing concept, print function, how to use it, format specifier, and data types only. All these are related to data types. And yes, total 6 type of functions, how to use it. And started the advanced Python. There is a modules will be added, especially oops. Especially oops concept is very, very important. Very, very important. Even regular expressions is a different course. Regular expressions different course. Example, I will explain to you how to use a regular expression. I have one file before coming to this session. I have one file. Ah, this is a one file is there, log file, real-time log file is there. This is a one file. I want to find out all IP addresses of this log file. So logs means those who are accessing, there is a one entry is added. Now my requirement is in this file, somewhere we have IP addresses. These IP addresses I want to pick up. It is not a planned one, randomly we are talking. That's why I'm explaining. See how to find out that one. First, that file path I will select. One second. Path equals to file path line x. No, line x. This is a file. Sir, my requirement is I want to pick up only IP addresses. IP address means anything. Zero, IP address concept. IP address. Every device which is participating in the internet either contains IP address IPv4 or IPv6, any one of them. If those who are on networking cloud engineers, the word is very simple. Any IP from this number to this number. Sir, you will get a little bit mass also here, like LCM concept also. You will let LCM. See here, how many lines are there? One second. I have 97 lines are there, if you see. But I don't know where is my exact available pattern. See, first I will do, I'm going to read the data. Just I'm writing some command, what is that function, which means you no need to worry about this one. I'm using this RE module. While explaining, I said a word, na? RE. This word I'm explaining. RE. There is a find all method is there. Find all pattern. One second. One, two, three. And dot. I mean, first one digit, three digits, any one of them. Data. Print a result. That's a program is over. Program is over. Now, if you see, there is a 233 lines of output is there. Even we can do more advanced also. Like there is a one more module. Okay. Import collections for I in collections dot counter. There is a one variable R print unique IP addresses will come. IP addresses. I will tell how many are also there. How many are there? I will write that count also. And sir, if you don't know, just observe it. Why? Because just I'm moving advanced functions. Oh, I'm sorry. I did a mistake, which is uh, collection. No, collection. S is missing. Collections. Fine. See, these are the IP addresses. That's all. Your work is over. Manual work, it will take at least, it's a 590 lines or 90,000 lines. Code is there. Logic is there. It is not a code also. See, which one you want? This is a regular expression. What is the file? And tell me how to print it with serial number. 70 IP addresses, different IP addresses are there in that one. Yes. So I am giving the fruits of learning the Python. Listen carefully. Sir, 1 to 50 days you have to stick this Python only. After learning 50 days, what type of fruits you will learn? You will get example. I will give to you one more example. Let's take a AWS cloud. Just wait. After learning Python, day one, don't expect anything. First, you have to learn and attend for live session first 50 days. It is not possible in one day. There is no weekend batch, only weekdays batch. That is only this is available. There is no alternate batches. See, presently, we I am in the East US. One second, East US. Mm, just wait. One second, guys. Just wait. I'm going to create 5 to 10 VMs with a single Python code. See, really, I don't have any idea about AWS cloud. There is a one module I said, especially. I'm creating a connection by using the advanced Python of oops. Even I'm going to tell connect to this region. Then I'm going to connect. Which one we will take? Okay, client also fine. EC2 service. My EC. And now I'm going to create VMs. My EC dot. There is a one component is there. One second. Maybe there is a spelling mistake here. Image ID equals to this one. Then key name equals to, to usual every month I will create a key. Max items 4, min items 1. See, that's all. I'm running. Maybe we will get an error. If we are not getting, great. If you see this area, presently we don't have any VM. It is also creating no VM. Hold on, maybe there is any error. Max count. One second, maybe there is a spelling mistake. Max count. Oh, count. Spelling mistake. Sir, how to know this one? Every topic purpose, we have a documentation. We are not learning anything our own. Okay, one more error. No, it is holding, waiting. It is waiting. Hold on. Okay, go back, refresh. That's all. Your 4 VMs are ready. Your 4 VMs are ready. Now, see simple code. 4 VMs it is creating now in front of you. See, what is the code I written? Just I said this function. It's the one function. Sir, how to know this function? In the course you will learn. In the course you will learn. Right. Even at data science related content also added, but it is not data science point. Data science is a huge content, guys. Minimum after learning Python, data science, if you learn 120 hours, like that is a perfect course. Okay, I said this is a related to DevOps point, but you will enjoy a lot in this area. Yes, completely how I shown you one example, like how work integration with the Git Jenkins. You will enjoy this area. Even NumPy and Pandas also added. One second. Instead of using, I will go with the Jupyter notebook. Otherwise, not required. Even Jupyter also directly straightforward you can open. But I'm very familiar with Python ideally or Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. These two, Python ideally is better. If not, we will go to the Visual Studio Code. But so many editors are there. Concept is same finally. Your Python, same concepts only you will use here. Same concepts only you will use here. For example, I will take one CSV file. How to learn with pandas? There is a one concept is there, pandas concept. Python, if you are learning, pandas is a beautiful one to read the CSV files, JSON files, HTML files. Pandas is a powerful concept. If your plan is data science, NumPy and pandas are important. Sir, these two here you are getting minimum information only. Why? Because these two together is a 60-hour course. I am not providing any training on these two in 60 hours, but complete information I am telling that after learning Python, if you want to survive in the data or tomorrow if you plan to join in anywhere, even no need to join to this course by this demo. NumPy pandas, at least it is I am telling that minimum only 60 hours content is there. That is a perfect course only for these two modules. 60 hours content is there. That is a perfect course. Example, there is a, okay, here I have a one CSV file. Just I will show you. Just wait. I will take your queries. The facts I'm talking here. Nothing here. I'm talking about the facts. Import pandas. There is a pandas. There is a one component is there. Read. Otherwise, create alias as pd. pd dot read csv. This is a file. What is the file name I put? emp.csv. Okay, this is a one file or this is output or data. Print data. You can see how this your pandas is reading the CSV file. I used control, F5 to run this program. Reading, reading, still reading. Maybe it will throw an error. Okay, fine. File name is perfect. Waiting for output. Yes, this is the one. See, its own index number it will add. If you open the CSV file, this is the data, guys. But additionally, it added its own index. Tomorrow, if you want to print only name properties, yes, or see, this is a way index dictionary concept. Or for example, salary is there. Case sensitive, which is salary greater than 70,000. See, first one false. Only person two. This person having 70,000. And next fourth from last second person also greater than 75. 70,000. Only two persons are there. Pandas is powerful concept. Okay. Simply I can say one word. I can give to you multiple examples. Even one day completely I will create a magic in your mind by the Python. But that is not useful to you. How much you are learning from the beginning is important. So I can create the magic even port completely a browser automation also. By using the Selenium module, we can automate it. But how much that type of knowledge are you getting from my end or not? I mean, if you join this course, will I get the same type of knowledge like you? I received or not? That is the main thing for you. Yes, I'm simply saying one word: attend regularly. First, I mean, up to core Python, you have a daily assignments. Saturday, Sunday, you will get the assignments. Saturday and Sunday, you will get the daily assignment. Attend regularly, attend regularly, complete the assignment. The assignment, which one I provided Saturday and Sunday, only one assignment will I will provide, and every weekend point I am talking, not in entire course. Every Saturday, Sunday purpose I will provide you one assignment just to complete that assignment. That's all. This flow, if you properly follow for up to 50 days, remaining 30 days you will play with Python. That is my assurance to you. That is my assurance to you. Yes, and these are the limited seats only. I am not going to take huge collection. 20 members I am going to take in the morning and evening. Yes, and one more thing. Please observe carefully. One more thing. Observe carefully. Uh, sir, this is a payment process. This is my another number. Do the payment to the same number, or you can use this QR code. You will get a number name as Shankar. After doing this payment, either by the QR code or else this number, you can use it. After that, please share the screenshot to either this number or my number, anyone. My permanent numbers are tomorrow. If you have any question, my permanent numbers are this is one completely for the. You can make a call to this number at evening hours. I mean, if you have any query, evening 5 to 7 p.m. weekdays PM. This is flexible time to discuss any question is there. Even if you are not satisfied in the session, I'm telling that in the live training only you can ask the question. If not, evening hours it will be free. So you can use any one of the number. I will give the response to you. I mean, you can directly ask your question. If you are unable to ask the question in the training, for example, if you are not interested to ask the question in the training, you can also ask personally. But question should be question. Your organization questions are not our my training questions. Your organization questions are my not training questions. My topic related one, how to use it, deeply I will explain. That is my guarantee. Your complete your day task or your office work, don't put on as my assignment. That is a one important thing I'm explaining. Right? So this is about the demo. You have any queries? Yes, please ask your question. And before that, please tell me your name and you can ask your question.